The digital world runs on powerful computers inside massive data centers. Thousands of servers process enormous amounts of information every second. Every search, video stream, message, and online purchase travels through these machines. They form the backbone of the internet and modern technology. At the heart of every classical computer is a simple concept called a bit. A bit can have only two possible states, 0 or 1. These tiny electronic switches store and process all digital information. By combining billions of bits, computers can represent numbers, images, music, and complex software. Classical computers solve problems step by step. When solving a complex task, they often check possibilities one at a time. For many problems, this works extremely well. But some problems are so complex that even the fastest supercomputers would take thousands or millions of years to solve them. To tackle these challenges, scientists are developing a new type of computer based on the laws of quantum physics. Instead of bits, quantum computers use qubits. Unlike a classical bit, a qubit can exist as 0 and 1 at the same time. This strange property is called superposition. You can imagine it like a spinning coin that is both heads and tails until it lands. Qubits can also interact with each other through a phenomenon called entanglement. When qubits become entangled, the state of one instantly influences the state of another, even if they are separated by large distances. These quantum properties allow quantum computers to process information in powerful new ways. A classical computer might test many possibilities one by one, but a quantum computer can explore many possibilities simultaneously. This means certain extremely complex problems could be solved dramatically faster. Building quantum computers is incredibly challenging. Qubits are very delicate and easily disturbed by heat, noise, or vibration. That is why many quantum computers operate at temperatures close to absolute zero, inside specialized machines called dilution refrigerators. These systems create environments colder than outer space. Scientists and engineers around the world are racing to develop more stable and powerful quantum processors. If successful, quantum computing could transform many industries. Researchers could simulate complex molecules to discover new medicines faster. Climate scientists could run more accurate models of Earth's atmosphere. Quantum algorithms could improve secure communication and cryptography. And artificial intelligence systems could be optimized in entirely new ways. However, quantum computers will not replace classical computers. Instead, the two technologies will likely work together. Classical computers handling everyday tasks, and quantum computers solving the most difficult scientific and mathematical problems. We are still in the early days of quantum computing, but the progress being made today could reshape the future of technology. A future where classical and quantum machines work side by side, opening new possibilities for science, discovery, and innovation.